Discipline. In champion football, say loser. It is thing that loser and a from a finger. Because discipline was the financial result. Not for good. It is right. If you live on a mention, she could feel it. No one hanging up. Or I will make it if you see the matter. It is still like a trial. Okay, information in Ganali, right. Let's have it. Obia, and then look at the very display of the government. Who are resisting the rights again? The no papa want to never talk to the cell of Patamo, the book. The Patamo was still just to Tatisarena. A little one will be the sale of us. Upon another Nagan of the Channel. Baba Mona, we were here a couple of our banana. Why Bella get Belagana? Marawala Cascolagana. My sister here in Avalena. Ma fui tu comprar uma série metade. Quer que ela voe da política para que do posta live to o bem ni dana bem tá com o jora por lo que é second thing do mundo olha para o mundo second e a muita chulo o que a fuma o e tá com o zene cada chuva na lana e ida colonia wa ya jira or o power what we can see automatic all overnight una la machine mo lo o to to ko e second ko wana school bo ko jana mo ko le sare second day ya na kama de ya mo to mo hello ko was an 2 days experience that grade 11 so to this stuff how can you teach that grade 11 really the papa to know what are what an experience papa an experience that grade 11 it's so cute baba do uma final leva uma vai ter duas assim por lá but to set experience one and you level fee that is what for some nice goals but you know tonya go up tonya ga wo ya yuje wasa shusha grade watu wa ya chima shusha grade 11 wala also pasa mo okay hapo yuje wasa kwa shi bagamu no shi bagamu no
Imai.
Either we are fast or all, and we will see level 2, or not even up to the level 2. What about upgrade? It's either was upgrade, and it's not doing I tell you, you don't know, this is the new format. Let me get back. What do you use? You change your education of the city. We don't have political or another, that was the military outside. And I don't believe my point here when it comes to the national development, and I got the democracy. We don't have one now, Papa. Who put it? Who just joined us off that best education? We don't even level of 97 or 96. 96 man, there are never democracy already. Never thought no as school free. After what I got for stationary for way. This is also free of charge. Some of us here in the Rega stationary. You know, without all the glass, all the school, power glass around and Kugama Shaka. Power school around the Kugama Shaka. experience loro sample retamenge mo ni mara le na bile le mo le tio kana go free education go free lo ya university wala go free aso sala mara mara eva go ru university wa tu no tarikisa kometa tata utakuta wala go free eso so fasisa la go free autonya ka bazari ndio wonya autonya ka mere go ndio wonya only if you fasika discourse au khati ena asima astamor batoro pasanga discourse au khati batoro la kai morvajira hiyo baro beka kama usore batu bali kama anaona kutama maji hapo sana na kama kama kahe malena uta kama ndio kusema aidie ila oxygen lule na uje ni kwa sana ndio ndio kapa like kama jana utela mona ndeo lato mate apalate whole South Africa kutoa popo aito public school so the private school apalate whole South Africa kako no achieve the sana ndio anawe na uma ubala juu kujida ndio sana ndio bona tokela go disappoint hapo ndio au disappoint ndio mtu disappoint wewe sio ndio wewe ndio disappoint ndio mtu disappoint wewe yo na tele biki wala kitu ana tele biki wala kitu ya usara right ebya age ya zetu wala kitu wala wewe wasara msara ya basana na uyoto wala kulekelele sako wanano usanzi community yeso roto tu wote baro kuloke after metric only kutaona ile hizo kivera sote kutabo ukembile kwa David Tolu ba David Tolu ka ditukana je verso personale plane orobile de kote mbuchi kile kata mandoje ni fasi dikase kawas tatanya na koyani kaza plan ya mkala vile tatana je pande wale ya skulu class na mfasulu ya kwa wengi hao mbele ijeri 3 years gape tumeona ya gera kipasi de babu kila nao je skulu ngere kina kwa mbele asante la mbele wenye vile kabisa nao kifika situation nao rege wanza na nchi ya image mwende kudabo remember ndege tena kuteke biblia na kiabu ya ya aya mergo anjia tena ndara kama hotel tena ndara kasi kitu kisa bado sara chele dilo kisa ya chele dilo kisa kia na hii leo nao ndio pita wote kutana kwa situation hiyo gad ni wale tena ndio kisa watu wengi kitana ndio kana go baba mtu vingi wapala vingi wapala bamu vile nao pia leo nao kasinya na beki na kweli kuna leo na tv waisishwe kama leo ili mimi udogo jaloro wale otoke talo ko munga lo wana tuwaki akatisi unoti kuchara neta tini mwana waka loro ule mweta lengo sina limfika na pesa mama wai kama ka kusifika next to lo wana wao sina limetriki mama ngana limetriki udo muje apile na tukora kama mama Boma kitana na suku kutoka kama about day bono ko democracy hasta kela mchi kile kitu kama kile kwa tiko wana discipline vile kanya mara kisha roba tani to kaida kaji kile wana kwa
Okay, now in my opinion, well, we're going to FBA, not to but what's our material, not to around to actually reality and YP, imagine some non-professional. So, this year, with our 10th year accounting sciences. So, let me go for Bella, just a question. What is your motivation? Guys, Lara, oh, Ronya Bova, doctor, oh, teacher. So, we know you're Yeah? Okay, guys, now we go so go like, okay, I don't know what I specify. The doctor didn't. Doctor doesn't mean what doctor or talk about population. Doctor, it means only potential for doctorate. Or maybe I work over 7 years, 5 degree. So, guys, not on the one, the whole remain different. Like around Massimo level of Giga. The only, my motivation. The only guy, one meter, statement, my point, and get over the motor. He's the only chartered accountant around. He's the only chartered accountant. And then he made it. The board exam, which will then number 9. South Africa, that's my motivation. I get over the motivation while I'm not getting. Extremely different. For example, you take teaching again. My teacher began my teaching. When I know we are teaching, one of them when I did career teaching teacher over, I want to follow Lagusa guys. So nothing go better. Just have a dream. Dream different, live a different lifestyle. No stop okay. Nagan knowledge and a fellow or teacher. Your background doesn't affect your future. You only decide.
Hey, come on, let's see now. You want to go? I didn't know also. All right. So, and it makes me laugh, but I don't want to laugh because inside me it pains me, it breaks my heart, it crushes it. To know that there are still young people who take these things very lightly. I'll be working on my second degree at Varsity. But we don't only want to be the only ones who want to take the wheel. So guys, next year when we come visit you, be the changed group. Take these things very seriously. Because many young people never get this opportunity to be guided. It pains me a lot. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you. But he who laughs last, laughs best. Now, I'm here to help him because he's listening. So that he can become an actuary. So that she can become a lexicologist. So that she can become an astrophysics. So that these careers that you don't know about, you get to read about them. There is a board there, you know of many careers that are available. So that our parents sorry, okay, fine. So while information, Facebook, you can like these pages and also follow you more. So have it, guys, you at least have 3 career options. For example, what if you don't make it in nursing? At least want to become a mining engineer. If you don't make it in mining, aspire to become a geologist. If you don't make it in geology, then start thinking of other things. Something that's your career is your choice, and you can live up to the dream. You can realize the dream one day. When I said the last speech in there, I said, say that if it is to be that I'm going to make it to matric next year and pass matric and make it to university, it's up to me. If it is to be, it's up to me. It's not up to me or we're not to pass. I might wish for you to pass, But whenever I won't change you. But I can create circumstances to change you. And if it is to happen, that I will be opening a door at UCT in 2 years to come, then I have to make it happen. I hope that we have touched someone. I hope that our words have sunk in the hearts of some people. And I hope that as we leave this school, we will leave a mark, and we will one day have someone from this school coming to give back. That person being you and coming to tell your brothers, for it, I've made it and I'm proud because Ramasemola is our village and Ramasemola is our pride. So guys, it's tough out there. You will think you know it all. What if those people are no longer there at one stage? But how about you make it your responsibility? The very same people they will be something better than you have thought. They will become something great, and they will make it because they have a dream. So start dreaming, because the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Balang, your entrance to university starts here. If you don't make it in grade 11, you are going to struggle to get there. It's possible. Everything and anything is possible. It's not only possible, but it's doable and achievable. I think we are done. I would like to say thank you very much.